Baba. Oh, he's distracted. How's that, Baba? Look, Mama.
They're like, toys? Toys? More toys?
You have more toys. Think. There's more, Dad. There's more. Come here, Think. Think. There's more toys, Dad. Oh, he will test everything.
Of course. Not like this.
Loves to play. My little boy loves to play. He's testing all the toys. Oh, we got ball there, bud. And he loves ball too.
Yeah, that one's also got
Bring
the
it
little
here,
red one
Baba.
inside of it.
Bring it here, Baba. Whoop. There's feather on your nose. Silly, silly cat, cat. Silly, silly cat. Nosy.
Of course. What do you expect?
Come here, Mama. Think. You're hiding in the dark. You don't know what to play now. That is cool, bud. That's cool, honey. He really loves a feather. You're so cute.
Oh, I know.
What's that? What's that? You're gonna get it from Dad.
I'm working on it, little man. I'm working on it.
He's already playing it.
Yeah, I noticed. Put it on backwards.
There you go. Here is Drake. If you want to sponsor a toy, Drake can test it for you.
Yeah.
Drake is a good reviewer for cat toy. Right, Baba?
So is Tink when she wants to be.
Yeah, and also Tink Tink. She's just giving way for Drake. There is my Drake doing a test, a toy test, cat toy test. How cute is this? I love the feather. I think I better take this off, because once this hits Drake, it's gonna hurt.
Well, you can.
Looks like it has something inside. It's like a catnip.
It probably does.
I love the thickness of the feather. Super cute. And it's orange. Where's my Baba?
Behind you.
Here's Drake.
Yeah, he's gonna like this one. This baby is spoiled.
Spoiled brat. They always get toys. Come here, Mama. Ting Ting. Ting. This is for both of you, not just Drake. Ting. Come here. Come here, Mama. I know you. I'm calling Ting Ting, not you, Baba. You're already here, duh. You like it, bud? Boom! Can you call Ting Ting to come here? Drake. And here's the other toy. There you go. There is Drake. He loves plastic, so he's gonna stay there. Oh my goodness. What's that, bud? Oh my goodness. He's really good in toys. I like to be inside. I told you, Dad. He like it.
It's plastic, of course. He likes it. He's always liked plastic. He's been fidget with plastic
So
since
cutie, cutie, Baba. Ay. Drake. Drake, look. Look at this bud. Look at that bud. Uh-oh. It will just stay in the plastic bag. It's really big. Drake can fit inside. Give that one to Ting Ting Han. There you go. Ting Ting, you got the toy. Go play with it, Mama.
There you go. That's yours.
Go play, Mama. Ting. Ting Ting is still watching Drake.
Mm-hmm.
Drake Gardner. Look how cute is that? Oh my goodness. And there you go. Ting Ting is playing. Haha. Ting Ting is playing too. She's a shy girl. Let your Sissy play. You're getting it again. Drake. Drake, let Ting Ting play. Hey. Drink, come here.
She's like, nope.
Drake's always love to be on gum. Ting Ting is always shy. My mama is always shy. Come here, mama. Let's play. Look at your brother. He's been playing. Right, Baba? In and out, in and out, in and out. He wants to play with Ting Ting, but Ting Ting don't want to play with him. Ting, play with your brother. Go on. You don't want to play? And they both left me. They both left me alone.